Hello everybody, my name is Jalia and I am working on board the commercial vessel, so as a second officer. So this is my everyday carry items. On board ships we used to carry radio at all, and I am carrying one marker pen and one regular black pen. This is my working glove, my keychain. I have keys for my room, hospital and some other places. This is my marching tool, Leatherman wave with my ham radio call sign engraved. I am carrying this guy close to 9 years now. Mag light, LED with AA batteries. This is my main tool pouch, so I can carry the Leatherman mag light plus all the pens inside here, made by, you can see already beat up. And I use my cell phone for taking pictures and for reporting. And this is my glasses, and I used to keep one pair of paracord with the glasses, so I can keep the glass always with me. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video. This is my first CDC. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you very much, and Seaman from sea. Bye bye.